Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 1st Subject English.
Good morning children, welcome to our first standard English online class. Today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn cursive writing and how to write the alphabets, cursive alphabets in cursive form. Okay. In previous class we study about letter A to B. In this class we learn to how to write W, X, Y, Z in cursive form. Okay, let us go to the topic. Only remember that you daily practice their following alphabets in for a rough 4-line note with a neat and clean handwriting with your own. Okay, take a pencil and sharpen the pencil. Okay, then let us start. Then this letter is W, X, Y and Z. First you write the letter W. One slanting line from the second line to first line and make a upward curve to the upward curve. Come back to the third line and go up to the first line and come back to the third line and go up to the first line. We get a letter W. Then we will see the letter X. One reverse half circle curve from starting from second line to go through the first line and come back to the third line and another half circle curve to the opposite side. Okay, we get a letter X. Then let us see the letter Y. One slanting line to the from the second line to the first line and make a upward curve from the first line to the third line and go up and continuously one standing line to the fourth line, one small curve. In this way we get letter Y. Then we see the letter Y and Z and how to write it. One sleeping line on the first line and one slanting line to the from the first line to third. Then one reverse half circle curve from the third line to fourth line and make a small curve. In this way we get a letter Z. Children, now let us learn about small letter W, X, Y, Z in cursive form. Okay, first one slanting line from the third line to second line and one make a upward curve and another upward curve. In this way we get letter W. Then we see the letter small letter X. Yeah, slanting line from the third line to second line and make a reverse half circle curve and another half circle curve. We get a letter X. Then we see the letter Y. One slanting line from the third line to second line, one and make a upward curve from the first line to upward curve from the first line to third line and go upward. Then continuously we get a standing line coming to the fourth line, a small curve. In this way we get letter Y. Then we see the letter Z and how to write it. One slanting line from the third line to second line, another slanting line from the third line to second line to third line, one reverse half circle curve from the third line to fourth line. We get a letter Z. Children, now let us see the two words and how to write in cursive form. Some two letter words are am, an, as, at and how to write it. First you start, you remember one thing, this two letters words and small letters also should be writing middle two line only. Okay, first you start with am. Yeah, small curve from the third line to second line and make a circle and continuously to join with one standing line and downward curve. In this form we get am. 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 Then we see the letter am and how to write it. One curve from the third line to second line and make a letter A and join with one standing line and continuously with one downward curve. In this way we get the word an. Then we see the letter, two letter word as and how to write it. One curve from the third line to second line and make a letter A and continuously with write the letter small letter S, a small curve and make a half circle, reverse half circle. In this way we get a letter as. Then we see the letter, two letter word at and how to write it. A small curve from the third line to second line. Get a letter A and continuously with the one slanting line to the first line and continuously with one standing line to the from the first line to third line. A middle, one sleeping line on the middle second line. We get a letter at. Students, today's homework. In your cursive writing book, you take the page number 5 and 6. You do and complete these 2 pages with a neat and clean handwriting with your own. One thing you should remember, daily practice the alphabet letters, both small and cursive, small and capital and small alphabets. And today we see the letter two letter words. You should be rightly neat within your rough 4-line note with neat and clean handwriting with your own. Thank you children. We will see you in the next class.